Oops, I started recording.
Derek! Alright, today we're gonna be running some errands, getting shit done, running around, and we'll take you guys with us. Let's go! This is how you kill some weed. You spray it down, then it dies, and then boom, blows away with the wind. Today we'll be whipping in the domestic. This is a 2015 Mustang. No, 16. Not a Mustang. Just a GT. Straight up GT. This is the Focus Edition. It came with these rims. Gives you about plus 1 horsepower a piece. That's when they're not moving, it's +1. But once they're spinning, that centripetal force multiplies by 700. So approximately like 2,800 horsepower.
This is another video where Aqua eats shit. The board touches the wheel and it locks the wheel.
So today, we have a second episode of Who Fisted the Screen? What we have here is a huge fist. I'm assuming coming from like up here in this area, somebody just totally just fisted the screen and it just cracked again. Guys, I don't know what's fucking going on with you guys and fisting screens, but this has to stop.
I bought this from Shields for $75.
Oh, you get direct.
Want to play a game?
Oh guys, I need fish for my aquarium.
We're at a red light, or we're about to be at a red light, and then we're gonna feel the full power of the Ford Supra. When you'll notice in the 1500 RPMs, that's when the VTEC the VTEC will kick in, and that's where the power really gets laid down. This thing revs to 9500, so yeah, okay. That Subaru just looks like it's going fast. Okay, wait, where's the VTEC? Okay. Oh, there it is. I can't move right now because the VTECs are so strong. The sounds distorted because we broke the sound of speed right there. Oh, did you hear that? That's the Mach 1 starting up. Can you zoom in on my neck? I think
it's already zoomed in on your neck.
we need some sex appeal. So I'll show a little neck, you know? I need to go close my garage because I cannot afford garage door opener. Instead, I click, and then you click when you run out.
What an ugly ass motherfucker, bro. Look at this thing.
We are blueballing them because we want the temperatures to level out. But they think we're just fucking with them. But we don't want them to die. They still might die. Don't get me wrong. Next time you may not see Frank and Jeffrey. The other reason you want to do this is you want them to know where they came from and what you can do to them. So that way they will be grateful for what you give them. Here we see Jeffrey free in the wild. As he tries to drown himself because he doesn't want to be in my house. Are they dead yet?
I see 4 of
They're
these
still
fuckers.
alive, good.
They spent $12 on this shit.